So I'm supposed to recover from trading losses overnight? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I bounce back in 3 steps. Step 1. Analyze what went wrong and learn from it. We are learning, not dwelling on mistakes. Step 2. Set realistic goals and create a solid plan. Perfect time to strategize your next move. Final step. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan. Boom, progress, no panic required. Y'all see this? Pause and reflect. It's tempting to chase losses, but revenge trading isn't the answer. Take a moment to breathe. Rushing to recover can lead to bigger mistakes. Journal the trade. Was it a bad setup, poor risk management, or an emotional decision? Understanding why the loss happened is key to growth. Avoid the cycle of impulsive decisions. Learn, adapt, and move forward. Flawless strategy and perfect execution? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I adjust in 3 steps. Step 1. Backtest your strategy to ensure it still works under current market conditions. We are analyzing, not blindly following a plan. Step 2. Identify any flaws in your entry and exit signals. Perfect time to question if your position sizing was correct. Final step. Adjust your strategy like you actually care about your investments. Boom, improved strategy, no extra stress required. Let's talk about revisiting risk management. First, use stop-loss orders to define your risk before entering a trade. Next, reduce your position size to trade smaller until you rebuild confidence. Finally, risk only 1 to 2% per trade to protect your capital from large drawdowns. Which strategy will you implement first? Tips that could change your game. Tip number 1. Focus on high-probability setups. Avoid overtrading and wait for clear, well-defined opportunities. Tip number 2. Favorable risk-reward ratios are key. Don't chase every trade, be strategic. Tip number 3. Patience is your best friend in trading. Which tip will you implement first? Or did I just make you rethink your strategy? Be honest. Rebuilding confidence in trading starts small. Use demo accounts to test and tweak your strategies. Trade micro lots or very small positions to regain consistency. It's about learning, not risking it all. Step by step, you'll see your confidence grow. Remember, every trader starts somewhere. So take it slow and steady. Before you know it, you'll be back on track. Embrace the process and trust your journey. Break your recovery into small, achievable steps, like aiming for a 2% improvement each week. Remember, it's not about recovering a large loss in 1 or 2 trades. It's about steady progress and sustainable growth. So, what's your first small goal going to be? Let's make recovery a journey, not a sprint. Step 1. Create a structured plan. It's like a roadmap for your goals. Step 2. Daily review routine. Check in with yourself every day. Step 3. Weekly performance check. See what's working and what's not. Step 4. Monthly strategy review. Adjust your plan and keep moving forward. It's all about progress, not perfection. Let's do this. But here's how I handle it in 3 steps. Step 1. Practice mindfulness or take breaks when needed. We are calming the mind, not ignoring the chaos. Step 2. Recognize when you're under emotional strain. Perfect time to pause and breathe deeply. Final step. Avoid making decisions when stressed. Boom. Mental clarity, no panic required. Y'all see this? Embrace emotional discipline for peace of mind, or keep struggling, your choice. 3 game-changing tips for your trading journey. Tip number 1. Seek mentorship or community feedback. Join trading communities or forums to learn from others. Tip number 2. Consider a coach or mentor for objective feedback. They can provide insights you might not see. Tip number 3. Engage actively and ask questions. Because growth happens when you connect and learn, which tip will you try first? Or are you already part of a trading community? Let me know.